Hey, what's up, guys? It's Team Hard Life Captain Albert Sartucci here. And wow, it has been a day working on sail lines, on sail line sails, on the bucket, on floats, on the motor and housing, going to run to get PVC to make the sail, and spooling reels, making leaders, making the shock leaders for lures, selling a bunch of gator spoons. Yes, we got a lot of gator spoons in house. Stay tuned, we got that. But right now, I got an unboxing to do. What it is, what it do, I don't know, you're gonna have to find out.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go, yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
Yep, there it is. Oh, sorry. Yep, back it up just a little bit. Wiggle it just a little bit. There you go, let me get up here a little. It's a nice sized box. Alright, okay, where's my knife? I know I got a knife somewhere. In a tackle shop, I should at least have a knife right there, huh? Is that what it is? Oh, yeah, there you go. Told you I had someone, or had one somewhere. Oh, Avets, yes. See, this one is an LX Raptor. Ooh, a black one. It's a black one. Oh, man. Oh. Ooh-wee. That's loud. Beautiful. Love it. Love it. Alright, that's one. Here, purple MXL. What? You got a purple MXL in house? Ooh, yeah, buddy. Ooh, that's loud. That is really loud, guys. Beautiful. Oh, we got a big box in here. Let's see. Hold on. Empty out some of the peanuts. We got an 80 T-Rex right here. Oh, that's a big reel. Heavy. Oh, let's do this. Ooh-wee. That's a big bad boy right there. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Just to show you that's the back plate right there. There's that. And, I have to double check on that because I thought all the T-Rexes got the 4-post, not the 2-post harness. I'm gonna have to double check that because they even sent the 4-post too. Call them and find out. Oh, yeah. Yep. Yep. Beautiful. Nice little wipe down because you can feel all the grease from when they were handling it and everything. And the good thing is I normally do all of that when I'm getting ready to spool it, but yep, that's what we got in today right there. That's one. That's two. And that's one, two. That's three. What a nice little showcase right there.